Hello, 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 and welcome one more time to BitBrothers Crypto, place where you learn and discover new opportunities every single day. I'm Casquinha Crypto. I'm here with my brother Papa, and today we're gonna speak a little bit about the bear market. Guys, fear and greed today. 11 bear market. People were thinking, no, we are not on the bear market. Let me just open here so I can see also people joining. Guys, crypto bear markets, is this the bottom of the crypto pond? Is this the bottom? Are we go? Did we get to the bottom? 33. I'm just to be specific here. 33 now, 32. Caiu, it dropped a little bit more. 32,000 bitcoins at this moment, guys. Let me open here so you can see me and I can see you. This is like here, like this is better. So we are, guys, we are not in a bear trend, my friend. We are in a bear market. Everything is drop, everything is blood, everything is red. But as Papa said, if we are relaxed at the 32K, is because things are okay. And remember, it's just a phase. I still believe that bear markets and cycle will be very short from now on as the mass or as more people adopt constantly to the crypto space. Yeah, anyway, we have a nice show for you today here. So I took this out, but this should be in into Papa go there. And let's go. I'm Casquinha Crypto.
Yes, isso aí. Welcome everybody. Welcome to the channel. So it's your first time, please subscribe to the channel, leave a thumbs up and share the content. Yeah. So every single time there's a bear market, like Casca said, we're in the bear market, unfortunately. All the views go really down in every single channel. People stop sharing content. And as we know, guys, the wealth it's made now. Okay, we know. So now it's time to share and time to be clever. Okay, and the best and safest option here is DCA. We are always trying to time the market. Okay, on the bottom, always trying to time the market. But you know, the best option you can do is to get your have a strategy of how to invest as well. It's very important. Also, it's very important. I'm already making my strategy of how to take my profits. Okay, because I know this is going to change. I don't know how long it's going to take, but I'm already planning my strategy to take because I'm already very much invested in the crypto market. Of course, I'm down on my portfolio because of this bear market, but I know in the not so long future we will have a reversal there. According to some TAs, we're probably going to see a reversal very, very soon. So as we don't know that, as we don't know how long this reversal is going to take, you should be preparing your mind, your mindset to take profits, okay? Because this might change like that. My reversals like that, and you're not prepared and you get scared and you don't know how to take profits and you think instead of taking profits, you're going to invest more because it's going to go higher, and then you lose the top and you ended up over exposing yourself to some coins and things can go wrong. Yeah, I've seen many and many testaments of people saying that they rode the previous bull run all the way to the top and they rode the all the way to the down to the bear market. Okay, because they always thought it was going to go higher, higher, higher. They didn't take any profits, start to go down, and then they start to find out it's going to what
they slide all the way down.
yeah, basically it's like they rolled all the way up, slide all the way down together with the market, thinking that it's going to change, going to have a reversal, blah blah blah. So they didn't make any like conscious strategy to take profits, you know. And so I prefer run a risk where I'm going to take a lot of profits, but still I'm going to miss a chance to get loads more, and I have to wait longer for the next bear market, then ride all the way up and ride all the way down and see the potential that you just missed. And then next run, the next dip, you don't have money because you rolled all the way down as well. Okay, guys, so please be aware of this, you know, like DCA in and DCA out. Very important. Dollar cost average. Okay. So yeah, let's talk a little bit more about the market. Also, guys, leave us your comments here. Are you bullish? Are you bearish? What's your thoughts about the market? You know, how is your kind of are you kind of overexposed to it? So if you are, what's your strategies? Let us know as well. So maybe if you need any help from us to try to kind of, I think, like I say to Casca, I love to start a channel with him because we both have different views, and also we see different projects. And of course, we have kind of, it's important for us to talk to each other all the time to see what's the best strategy for us to take, because sometimes alone is really, really hard. Okay. So let's share this and see how it's the market today. Like Casca said, is just reached 32,000 Bitcoin. We've been saying this, that could go as low as on the lower 30s, and we are there. Okay. We've gone through that already, and it's once again here, guys. But the market cap is 50% low from its all-time high at $1.5 trillion. Imagine when we top that up and we earn price discovery on the market cap as well, how much money is going to come. Okay. The Bitcoin dominance, guys, is still at 41%. You know, what does that mean? That not many people is still buying Bitcoin, basically. Still, everyone is super exposed to all the coins. So, yeah, that means I think once we start to see the Bitcoin dominance start to go up, that's when we're going to see dollars pouring into, and then we're going to have a reverse on the trend. Okay, so this is very important to keep an eye on it. As soon as you start to see, you know, this dominance is starting to go up, that means that people are leaving their altcoins and coming to Bitcoin, or new money coming into Bitcoin because they know their bottom is in. Okay. But yeah, crazy. 32,841. Amazing. Again, so if we go lower than that, I think the best option here, the best investment will be on the bigger altcoins, the bigger layer ones here, like Ethereum, Solana, Terra Luna, Avalanche, Near Protocol, Polygon, Phantom. These coins that, you know, have so much potential and is doing really, really great. You know, these are the ones that we have to focus once we break Cosmos. Yeah. So look at that, Chainlink at $9. Who would think that? It's just crazy. ApeCoin, guys, look how strong ApeCoin still is at $10. Most investors that we look, they say that it's going to start to invest in ApeCoin at $10, but I think we can go a bit lower than that. Okay, so let's see the losers of the day. 1 second. Let's see who are the losers of the day. This is the winners, right? Waves. Wow, that's crazy. 10% on the day. Waves. 14 on the week. Everything's going down, and 1 inch as well. Wow, 14.884. Near Protocol, we can see here on the days is really strong. So Neutrino USD, wow, stable coin from, I don't know where it's from anyway. So looks interesting. Let's see, market cap 929 million. Wow, yeah, I haven't heard of this before. Neutrino. Anyway, so yeah, basically a lot of stable coins here in the beginning. And the losers of the day. 1 second. Losers of the day. Let's see. Algorand. Wow. Algorand is the first one, guys. Guys, I really like to see the losers of the day. And every time there's a layer one and a very strong coin, maybe that's a very good opportunity to buy. Of course, you can see here Algorand is a 65 cents, but came from 11% of the week. Okay. All of these coins here, of course, like not so sure. You can see this stepping coin came 32% on the week, but I haven't heard much. Haven't heard of Kava. Engine coin, amazing. So these are the kind of the buy-ins you look for, like Polkadot, Engine, Curve, Kronos, maybe not so much. Loopring, not so much. Phantom, of course, guys. I think for me, it's an amazing protocol. I'm very, very heavily invested in Phantom, Thorchain as well. Okay. But yeah, these are good buys here. Decentraland, Polygon, there. Okay, so what Plan B says, Bitcoin monthly RSI below 50 and 50% below all-time high green. So guys, the closer we get to the blue is the closest we are to the bottom, according to the Bitcoin Relative Strength Index, the RSI index, right? So, you know, Plan B, he always does these color things where we can see where the bottom is, yeah? So he can see that we are in the light green, so we still haven't gotten to the blue. So according to this, we can definitely go lower, okay? We can still go lower. Like we can see in 2019, we went all the way to the blue. In the crash of 2020, we went to very light green, still lighter green than this one where we are now, which I think is where we're gonna go, guys. I think we are still gonna go around 31,000, maybe even lower than that. I think that 20,000, like many experts saying, I don't think this is gonna play out, but we never know. Let's just be aware that it might. So because we see this, how low can this go? Extreme fear at 11, guys. Remember, we always say buy when it's red, sell when it's green. This is Warren Buffett's strategy as well, guys. Like all the big investors say, buy when everybody's have fear and sell it when everybody's greed. Okay, so this being the strategy of the millionaires forever. Okay, and should be something for you to think about it. Like the big whales, guys, they want you to panic sale, definitely, because they want to buy from you. They want to, where are they going to make their money from? Unfortunately, they make their money on the retail investor, which are us, the small fishes there on the pond. That's where they make their money. And please do not be one of those. Okay. I like Crypto Rover. He's a very, very bullish guy all the time. Very bullish things he posts. And when is this very crazy markets and start to be a bit sad, I like to go there and look at his post on Twitter. Taking the opportunity, don't forget to follow us on Twitter as well, Papa BitBrothers and Casquinha Crypto. Casca is every day posting new things for you of the post-chain network, guys. So be aware of his Twitter. Check it out, okay? I'm retweeting a lot of deals, a lot of new projects as well. So yeah, just follow us there. Be great. Bitcoin is 50% down from its all-time high. Looks pretty cheap to me. So yeah, that's what he says. It's cheap for him. Okay, he just put the graphic here showing where we are now. The graphic with 33, but of course we just reached 32 as I showed there. Okay, so what does that mean, guys? That it's pretty cheap. That means that he is buying, and he just posted something before. I'm buying as much as I can Bitcoin, and I heard today so many people. I'm incredibly bullish on Bitcoin. That's what he posted here. And balance on exchange as well, guys, from Glassnode. Like look at that. This is how much Bitcoin is coming off the exchange. Look at this. It's on one of its lowest. Yeah, so people are not, what's happening is, guys, when people put Bitcoin into the exchange, that means they're willing to sell. When they're taking out the exchange, that means they're not going to do anything, because they cannot sell unless they want to sell the OTC markets, which is like this kind of big whales do. They trade between themselves, so no one knows. But I don't think this is going to do, because they don't make money like that. They only make money, like I said, by fear of the retail, okay, which is the retailer, right, which is us. So do not fall for that, because they are just keeping in cold storage. So another thing he says, will history repeat for Bitcoin? Like, again, we are in the three lowers here, lower lows. And in the previous time, what happened when we have lower low? We just spike up like crazy. Okay, so it's bullish pattern there for us. Okay, he put retesting the weekly 130 EMA as well. We're retesting here, and like you can see here, we retested that. We went slightly higher, and then we dipped below, and then we went up. That's what most people think is gonna play out, guys. We're gonna have a fake where we test. We're gonna come slightly high again, so everybody start to be a bit bullish. We're gonna drop really bad, and then we're gonna go up. So be aware for this to play. He also monthly RSI retest here. We can see there is retest in the bottom. Okay, and every time the RSI is that low, guys, that means we're gonna have to go up very, very soon. Okay, so yeah, 32.9 is the level to watch. She put it here, and we are right there. Okay, so guys, that's it for me. Casca will carry on with some news on post and post chain, and that's it.
Everybody
Thank you
stay
very
with
much,
me.
everybody.
Stay with us. Stay with us. Guys, first of all, we go, is this the button? It, we always go back to, I was speaking to Papa before the show and we're thinking, it's always go back to, we are, I think, honestly, I think we are in the right timing, the right moment, the right spot, the right place. It's now. Because if you've been following us here as well, you know that this time you can see the fear and greed. You can see the Bitcoin falling, and you can see the whole market collapse and stuff. You can see this in some different ways. First, you can see this and don't understand. And I'll say not understand because maybe is not believing. If you don't believe in crypto for the future or in the blockchain technology, maybe. And of course, if you are investing money that you are not willing to lose, you're scared that you might lose the investment. So you're high risk there, and you should have been doing this. You should only invest money that you are willing to lose. You are not worried about. You actually will see the position that you are understanding, have the knowledge that you have within the market as opportunities. Why I say this? Because when you see now understanding more, and this is me and Papa speaking earlier, when our discussion is not like, oh my God, I should sell everything. Oh my God, I'm gonna sell my token, my wallets, my portfolio. I cannot say. No, our talking, our conversation and discussion is more around, whoa, have you seen that project? Oh, there's an opportunity to get in there. Oh, we can put more money there now. Who have seen that token from that project that we believe? Let's put more token there. What about that project? Oh my God, they are so low. Let's go and check them now. Why? Because we study, we investigate, we check the project, we see. The other day we were watching Crypto Banta and Crypto Run Man. He was saying, which kind of project is going to be here within the next 5 years? And I think he was right. That's the sort of question we should be asking now. Because if you know that some particular project that you may like, may not, those projects if you, for example, you have some money invested in shitcoins, you should sell it. You should have sold that long ago and invest in project that you believe that's going to be in the next 5 years. Because even if the market collapse, go very, very low, because you believe in the project and you are investing money that you don't care if you lose or not, it's just an investment. You know, because you believe in the cryptocurrency and on blockchain technology, and you know that in the next 5 years that your investment will multiply, will go 3, 4, 5, 100x up, and you are not worried about that. And that's the position you are now. You are early to the game of crypto. You are early in the space of crypto. Casquinha, but I didn't get crypto, Bitcoin when Bitcoin was $100. Well, you're not early for Bitcoin $100, but you are early if Bitcoins reach $500,000. Do you understand? So it's all how you see it. You're not early to get in Ethereum before Ethereum launch, but you are early to get if Ethereum go to 10,000. Okay. By the way, you guys know how bullish we are here with post-chain network and everything that goes within the post-chain. If you are late to Ethereum and you believe, you have the chance to jump in post-chain. And actually, post-chain network, it plays a very big part on this time that we are on the market. I think that Richard Hart was very smart, and either consciously or not, he timed the market perfectly in order for post-chain to launch. Because imagine, guys, with the knowledge, for example, that we have, or the understanding of the potential of the new chain that is coming out, it's exactly like, in a very simplified way, getting in Ethereum before Ethereum launch, already knowing everything that Ethereum did. So you have the chance to jump in a chain, like post-chain, before it launch, and be on the ride all the way up to 110,000x, right? Is this what's going to happen? We don't know, all right? Everything in crypto is speculation. But other things that we are talking here in Papalek, and let me show you something. When you don't know what to do as well, maybe you should zoom out. Casquinha, but I don't know, what should I do? I don't know if I'm early, if I'm late. And then you should always zoom out. So let me share here. So if you go here, if you look at my screen, I zoom out. This is BTC graphic here. 28th of April 2013, $135. Of course, if we could go back in time, if you could go back in time and you could say to your younger self only 3 words, what would you say? I would say buy Bitcoins 2013 or 2010, whenever Bitcoin launched. Buy Bitcoins 2013. And my younger self would be like, what is this? What is this? And the first time I hear of Bitcoins, I'll be like, buy Bitcoins 2000. I'm going to like buy Bitcoin now. So I was going to buy Bitcoin. Then, because my old self now, 2022, I know that Bitcoin came all the way here. Nah, but it crashed this and this and this and this. And that's when we say zoom out. Zoom out. Guys, the market's always volatile, always goes up and down. If this is from the beginning, if we bring here the graphic here, look right on the
Casca,
look.
I'm just checking the market now. $10 billion came out of the market cap.
Yeah,
10 billion.
Imagine. So things will fall even more. So, but this is to show you how the market is volatile. So if we zoom out again, right? If we zoom out again, you will see here, like here, 2017, went all the way up. And people said, oh my God, 20,000, that's amazing. And then they saw Bitcoin falling again here all the way to 8. And in fact, all the way here to 3,000. because that's the way it is. Okay, and it's the same thing here with Ethereum. Zoom out. Look here, guys. Look here. 62 cents. Imagine got here, 80 cents. Right? Went all the way up here to 1,000 something. Wow. And then drop again to 300, and then keep dropping here 100, 106, 140, and went all the way up to 4,700 and drop again. That's the way the market is. And as Richard Hart said in his live, sometimes the market drop 80, 90%, but a lot of people tell you otherwise. A lot of people, of course, will show projects that they are in, projects that they want you to buy in to pump up their bag. Of course, people are like this, right? But you have to understand that the majority of the cryptocurrencies, guys, we have over, let me go here we have over 13,432 new cryptocurrencies. Over 13,000. Do you believe 14,000 new crypto tokens, cryptocurrency projects, whatever, it's going to be here within the next 5 years? No. They will lose. They will bankrupt. They will rug you. They will slow rugs. That's why it's important, the first investment to be you. So we, as we were talking before, we see these moments we are now as self-investment, invest in yourself to gain knowledge, to learn how to choose better project that maybe will be here within the next 5 years. It will be here, we don't know. But you have to do your best to try to find out as much as you can about that project, because the money, it's yours. And if you lose alone. Because you not invest somebody else's money. I hope not. You're investing your money. So you will lose your money. So you need to always be aware of that. Remember that in this sea of crypto, there's a lot of scammers. There's a lot of shark, I would say. It's a lot of fishing. People trying to catch you, to rug you. So be careful. 1 million times. Okay? Casquinha, do you have anything to talk about post? We are post-chain network. Whoa, we are in the months of launch. Richard Hart said middle of May. Well, he didn't say will be middle of May. He said potentially the best guess his developers gave to him was middle of May. He didn't give exactly date. So following that, if we are to be launched by middle of May, that means it's this week. This week! I'm ultra excited because I like the post-chain network. For me, again, it's like getting, I didn't manage to get in Ethereum earlier. But I have the chance to get in post-chain, post-X earlier. And trust me, I will. So, and I hope you guys study the project and see if it's something good for you to do as well, because, you know, here is not financial advice. In fact, I don't know anything about finance. I'm terrible about finance. But we love crypto, and our mission is to bring it here, trying to get people to understand that decentralized monetary system is the best for the world. And so here we are. So if we are launched this week, that's going to be awesome. It's going to be amazing. So be ready. Keep checking Richard Hart's Twitter so you can get more information on there. There is some very nice new projects coming up on the post-chain network. I'm going to be doing some stuff for you guys, some live, some videos and stuff. So keep checking our Twitter. Please do follow us on Twitter, me and Papa, because we do share and retweet a lot of projects that we believe have potential to do great. And of course, like I'm sure you are here like us, looking for more profits, better gains, better life, happiness, and buy time. And when I say buy time, is because if you have more money, if you have financial freedom, you have more time to spare with the people that you love. You have more time to spare with your family, with your kids, with your part, whatever you like to do, right? If you have money, you can buy the car of your dreams and drive around the car of your dreams. I don't like car, I like bike. You can buy the bike of your dreams. You don't like car or bike, I like traveling. You can travel to the destinations of your dreams. And you can take the people that you love with you. So you're buying time. So financial freedom is for us to buy time. Okay? And whenever we find opportunities, we bring here to you. And now, this time we are right now here, we see the markets and the bear markets at opportunities. Casquinha, but I have no more money. So I don't have as well, no more money. So I don't know where to take money from in order to invest in projects. But I wish I had. But we also squeeze here, we squeeze a little bit there, we squeeze from here, we invest here, take profits from there, put in profits from there, because you never put all your eggs inside one basket. Because I can take a little bit of here and I put a little bit here. I take a little bit from here and I put it there. I take a little bit from here and I put it there. And like this, I try to do a snowball of compounding making, let's say, in order to our investment to multiply. That's what we do. And I hope you guys do the same in order for your investments to grow. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed the show today. Guys, smash the like button, subscribe to the channel because here we bring to you the best content and informations. So smash the like button and subscribe to the channel and become part of the Bit family. Papa BitBrother on Twitter and Casquinha Crypto on Twitter as well. Go there, follow us. We bring lots of information and new projects that we believe have potentially can exponentially grow your games in 10, 100, or even 1000x. Okay, Papa, anything else?
This is it, guys. Thank you very much. See you
Bye.
tomorrow on the next live. Thank you.
And we see you guys on the next live. Ciao. Ciao.